Привіт-привіт! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you the animal sounds in Ukrainian language. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, почнімо! Let's get started! Звуки тварин. Animal sounds. Звуки тварин. Guys, I have to tell you that Ukrainian animals speak different language. They speak Ukrainian. Okay, it's a joke. But the way we pronounce the animal sounds and the way we write them, they are completely different than in English. You can ask me, Inna, why? Let me explain you. So, in linguistics, we have different branches, and in phonetics, we have such thing as onomatopoeia. What is that? Let me explain you. So, onomatopoeia is the use or creation of a word that phonetically imitates, resembles, or suggests the sound that it describes. Such a word itself is also called an onomatopoeia. Common onomatopoeias include animal noises such as oink, meow, roar, etc. So, therefore, our linguists, they listen to the animals and they showed in language the sounds. Yeah, they describe them. So, in Ukrainian language, так, собака, a dog, собака says hav, 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 woof, woof. Так, completely different. Kid, a cat, so kid says няв, няв, няв. Корова, a cow, says moo, moo, moo. Добре. Півень, rooster, півень says кукуріку, ку-ку-рі-ку. To tell the truth, it is difficult for me to pronounce how English roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, something like that. I hope, oh my god, it's so difficult. But in Ukrainian, let's practice. Ку-ку-ри-ку, just like a tongue twister. Ку-ку-ри-ку, кукурику. Okay, гусак, goose, says ha-ha-ha. Also very good practice of Ukrainian phonetics. Гусак says ha-ha-ha. Добре. Ворона, a crow, says kar-kar. Say kar-kar. Кінь, a horse, says іго-го. Іго-го. Добре. Веслюк, donkey, says in Ukrainian language ia, ia. One more time. Ia, ia. Так, добре. Свиня, a pig, says хро-хро in Ukrainian language. Хро-хро. Волк says ooh, 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 ooh. 3 times. Ooh. Or ау. Добре. Вівця, sheep, вівця says бе, бе. And the last one, my favorite one. Птах, a bird, sings, we can say sings, yes. Тьох-тьох, фіть-фіть. Так. Тьох-тьох, like tweet-tweet. And фіть-фіть. And perhaps you heard that one of the Ukrainian symbols is Solovey. It's a bird, yes? And we called Ukrainian language Solov'їна мова. And there is a very popular Ukrainian folk song. Так, I will add it, where like Соловей співає тьох-тьох-тьох, фіть-фіть-фіть, тьох-тьох-тьох, фіть-фіть-фіть. Dun, 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 dun. So I heard the song and I was amazed. It's beautiful. So I will add it to this video. So yes, guys, what do you think about onomatopoeia? What is your favorite Ukrainian animal sound? Please write in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video lesson so much. Please write me what are the interesting Ukrainian topics, vocabulary, sounds would you like to learn. You can leave your suggestions in the comments below. I will check them out. If you want to learn Ukrainian language more, please check out my website speaky.com, my school Speak Ukrainian. Also subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Support me on Patreon or here with the super thank button. Thank you for supporting Ukraine and my charity store. Buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Your teacher Інна, ваша вчителька Інна. Па-па. Bye-bye.